So I arrived in Port Barton yesterday and I was literally so tired, so I didn't actually vlog, but I stayed at the Green Turtle Hostel. It's actually a really nice hostel and the breakfast is really good. It's only 150 pesos. The rooms, they're okay, they're just a little bit small for the amount of people that are in there, but still they're good, and it was a hot shower, so yeah, I would recommend this just maybe for a few nights. Like I only stayed here for one night, and now I'm just waiting to get a bus to Port Barton. I'm looking at accommodation now, and there's not many options. I think with Palawan you need to book in advance because yeah, there's not a lot of options for Port Barton, so I'm having to go with like ones I wouldn't probably normally pick, but that's fine. Hopefully it'll be okay, so I'll let you know how I get on. So I've just arrived at my hostel in Port Barton. The bus was actually okay. It wasn't too crowded. I had quite a lot of space, so it was fine, but it did take like 3 hours, I think, maybe a little bit more. I'm staying at Russel's place, which is like loads of little huts. I'll show you properly in a minute. And then I'm in a 4-bed dorm, but it was quite cheap. It was like £16 for 2 nights. I'm going to decide if I want to stay for more nights soon, because I really haven't decided yet how long I'm going to stay here. So this is the room. It's like, they're like little cabin things like this, and this is my one. I've just chucked all my stuff on my bed. There's plug sockets, a little light up there, and then you get a fan. There's no aircon, but the fan will be enough because it literally is like directly on your head. And yeah, I'm in a I thought I was in a 4-bed, but I'm in a 6-bed dorm. Yeah, it's just like all wooden. The roof is like that. It's a little hut. It's pretty cool actually. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Not even they can stop me now. So I'm just walking to the beach, turn, and there's just a cow. I think that's a cow. Just roaming. Very normal thing here in the Philippines. But to me it's very abnormal. But it's funny, I love it. So the German girls that I met in Shergao are here too, so I'm gonna go meet them for dinner at CocoRico, which is quite well known in Port Barton. It's a lady was handing out like bits of paper earlier that said you can get free drinks from 7 till 7:30, and I already knew that already because I like did a little bit of research. But yeah, how good is that? So today I'm obviously in Port Barton now, and we're going on a island hopping boat tour, and we're going to like turtle spot, we're going to a Starfish beach and loads of other little islands, and we get like lunch included. And yeah, I'm just really excited for it because this is the first like actual activity I've done. Shergao was more chilled, but yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. And look at the view behind me. And then we have this boat here that we're going on. So yeah, I'm super excited, and I'll show you all the underwater clips of like snorkeling and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned.
Travel like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego.
jellyfish. Hi!
Where's the jellyfish?
I don't know, I've lost it. Oh, it's there, it's there.
Yesterday.
It's a tiny one though.
What's so special? I think the sea stars. Sea stars?
Yeah, sea. No wait, you've made me forget what they're called.
I mean the
Starfish. Sea stars.
Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Pouring up a pan while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Just skip to my loop with the back in the cat.
So we just arrived at another island. This one that I'm standing on right now is called Exotic. And then the one just there is called Maxima or Maximum, something like that. But the water is literally unreal, it's so blue. This is our boat, and I think we're just gonna chill here for a while. They're gonna make us lunch, and yeah, we can like snorkel over here. But it's so beautiful. I love that green water. Just unreal.
I love you when you're singing that song again. I could look on my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Lady, only come to the riptide, taking away.
So the guy said that we can walk over to the other island, so we're just walking now.
Taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left hand. I love you when you're singing that song again. I gotta open my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong.
Oh, they are adorable.
Lady, running down to the riptide, taking away.
Oh, he wants his belly rubbed.
I wanna be your left hand. I
licking the salt from it.
when you're singing that song again. I gotta open my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Lady, only come to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left hand. I love you when you're singing that song again. I gotta open my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Lady.
So we've just got to the final stop, which is Capsalay Island, I think it's called, and it's literally unreal. It's like paradise. White sand beach, there's barely anyone here, and it's so beautiful.
I gotta open my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Oh, lady, running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left hand. I love you when you're singing that song again. I gotta look on my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing.
This morning we're at Milano Cafe. This looks so good. We all got the granola bars. I think I've been here 3 times already actually. So I'm just checking out of my Port Barton hostel, and we are now going to be heading to El Nido. We're getting a bus which I think takes around 3 to 4 hours, so it's quite long. But yeah, I'm really excited. We've got a hostel booked. It's not actually one that's very near the centre because there really wasn't much left. I really wanted to stay at a friend's hostel, but there was no space, and there was barely any space in any hostel. So yeah, but this one looks really nice. It's just a little bit out of the way, but it's fine. I'm with the German girl, so I'm just happy that I have people that I'm going with. So yeah, stay tuned. This is the first time I'm actually walking with my backpack. So far I've managed to not walk at all with it. Well, not a long period of time. And oh my god, it's so hard. But I was speaking to the other girls and they said that their bags are like 20 or over 20. Mine's only 16.5, so I'm either just weak or I don't know, I just can't handle it.